Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we will take care of the problem number 5 of Project Euler, which is the smallest multiple. Let's read the problem. 2520 is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the numbers from 1 to 10 without any remainder. What is the smallest positive number that is evenly divisible by all of the numbers from 1 to 20? So first, we need to write a function to check if a number is evenly divisible by all of the numbers from 1 to 20. Let's start with that. So let's say define is evenly divisible, I believe that's it, number. So we need to go through 1 to 20, and if the number is not evenly divided by each of those numbers, we will return false, because it's obvious that the number is not evenly divisible by one of the numbers actually. But if it's divided by all of the numbers, then it means the answer is true, so the number is evenly divisible. So for I in range of 1, actually we know it's divisible by 1, so let's skip 1, start with 2 until we reach 20. This is exclusive in the range function, so we write 21. If the remainder of number by I is not equal to 0, which is not evenly divisible, let's return false. If the for loop finishes and everything is good, we return true. So for example, actually we don't have an example here, so what we do is that we now start from the number, let's say we start from 20, because we know, for example, 19 is not evenly divisible by 20, at least 20, and that's what we know. Since the biggest number is 20, we need a loop that checks every 20 numbers, jumps every 20 numbers. So we need a while loop. While true, we say if is evenly divisible I, then print it, this is our answer, and break the for loop, of course. Then if not, we will jump by 20. So I believe that's the solution to this problem, and if we run this, we will get our answer. I've already tested this. This is the correct answer. You can go and test it for yourself. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a good one.